Introducing the impressive 2024 Grady-White Canyon 271, the epitome of excellence in offshore fishing. Built with superior craftsmanship and attention to detail, this boat is designed to revolutionize your fishing adventure. Equipped with a spacious cockpit and ample seating, the Canyon 271 offers comfort and functionality for everyone on board. Whether you're out for a day of angling with your friends or enjoying a relaxing beach getaway with family, this boat caters to your every need. Featuring a modified V-hull, the Canyon 271 ensures a smooth and stable ride even in choppy waters. Powered by twin Yamaha engines, this vessel combines impressive speed and efficiency, guaranteeing a thrilling and efficient experience every time you take it on the water. With an array of cutting-edge features such as a comprehensive electronic package, an integrated fish box, and a live well, this boat is ready to enhance your fishing. The Grady-White 271 is a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and practicality, making it a true game changer in the world of offshore sport fishing.